Here is how you can change your email address on Epic Games. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your email address of your Epic Games account. So let's start. First of all, open any browser. Then after, search for Epic Games. Now go to the official website of Epic Games. Then after, log into your account. For that, click on this profile like icon and then enter your login details. After logging into your account, click on the profile like icon once again. Then after, go to account. As you enter the account settings, you'll get a page like this. Now in order to change your email address, you'll find this edit option on the right side of your email. Click on it. Now enter the new email address that you want to use. Remember that you cannot use the same email address that has been used in another Epic Games account. So enter a brand new email address, then after click on continue. As you do that, your email address will be set to a new one. So in this way, you can easily change your email address on Epic Games account. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you find this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.